Hello viewers, welcome to Ronghack YouTube channel. And so this is the 10th video of the Flutter mobile development series. So in this video we will learn you how to write the first program for the Flutter mobile development. So let's get started. So you can also follow the Flutter series that we created on our channel. You can follow the link present in the description of the video to learn more about the Flutter. So let's start the video. So firstly we will create the Flutter project using the command prompt. So choose the folder where you want to create the Flutter project. I have chosen the folder present in the G and Flutter folder. Here we want to create the Flutter project. Just you have to open the command prompt, write the cmd here and open the command prompt from this folder G Flutter where you want to create the Flutter project. So here I will use the command of the Flutter create and write the project name. Here in this video the project name is the project test project. So this is the project name. So it will take only the 10 seconds to create this Flutter project. So once this project is created, you have to open this project using the Visual Studio Code. So open the Visual Studio Code and open the project, that is the test project, using the Visual Studio Code. Just you have to click on the file and open folder and open the test project and select folder. So here you can see we have successfully opened the Flutter project using the Visual Studio Code. Now we will run the emulator that we already created. Just you can also follow the video present in the description of the video to create the and open the emulator. So I will directly open the emulator. Just I have to click on the Android Studio. So once the Android Studio will open, you have to click on the configure and then you have to click on the Android Virtual Device Manager, AVD Manager. So it will open another window of the virtual devices that we already created. Just you have to follow the video that is present in the description of the video to run the emulator. So I will directly open the emulator, that is the Pixel 2 API 29 phone, and I will click on the green button. So it will start running the emulator. So once the emulator is opened, you have to run this project on this emulator. So what you have to do, you have to run the command on the terminal. So click on the terminal present in the top menu bar of the Visual Studio Code. Click on the terminal and click on the new terminal. Here you are present in the G Flutter and the test project. You are present in this directory, that is the test project. Here you have to run the command flutter run command. And if you receive the error, then you have to use the command flutter doctor to check something is missing or not. So here no issue found. If you receive the error or any warning, then you have to remove that error first. So let's run this project on this emulator using the flutter run command. So this is the previous project that I already created on the emulator, and it will take some time to download the APK file in this emulator. So it will depend on the internet connection of your computer. So for the first time it will take some time to open this project in the emulator, maybe a few seconds or a few minutes to download and run the APK on the emulator. So for the second time it will take only few seconds, just 3 to 4 or 5 seconds to run the project on the emulator. So here you can see we successfully opened the project on the emulator. We can make some changes, like in the title Flutter demo homepage, I will change this title to test project. And then you have to, here no change will appear on this. Just you have to click on the R button and it will take few seconds, 3 to 4 seconds to project this change to the emulator. So here this is the Hello World program. So here you can see a lot of messy stuff in this test project. So I will delete all of these things. So now I almost delete all these messy stuff from this Dart file. So now I will write some Hello World program here in this file. So here you can see I have imported the package flutter material.dart file. So it has almost very important widgets that we will use later in our course. To include that widgets, so just we have to import that package. So if you have some programming knowledge before, then the main function is the function that will run when the execution of the program will start. So the main function will run when we run this file on the emulator. This is the emulator. So main function is the one that will run first time or at the first point when we run this application on the emulator. So the main function, this is the shorthand notation to write the function. We will use the normal notation that we will use in many languages like in Java. So normally we have written the function like this. So the main function will run the function of the run app at the execution time. So when the program will start, it will start the main function and the main function will run the run app function. So here we can add our logic here. Like we will want to show the text on the screen, like text Hello World. And now we want to show tell the Flutter in which direction we want to show this text. We want to show this text from left to right, text direction, and here we specify the text, and this is the return type. Here we add the property of the text direction, and if you want to show that what is the return type of this text direction, just you have to hover the mouse on this text direction, then the return type is the text direction. We have to write the text direction here, and then we have to click the dot button, and it will show some suggestions that LTR means left to right, RTL means right to left. Here we will use this property LTR and click and save this project and press the R button or Shift R button. So once this will complete, now you can see the blank screen and Hello World is written behind this time. And now we want to move this Hello World to the center of the screen. Then we will use another widget, that is the center widget. Just you have to use the command, short command, to add another widget. Just you have to press the Control and dot button, and it will open this dialog box or a box that what you want to add the widget. Like we want to wrap this text widget with the center widget. There are a lot of widgets we will use later in our course, but here we want to wrap this widget to the center widget to show the text to the center of the screen. Later I will also tell you how to refactor this code like I did in this program manually, but later I will also tell you how to refactor this code using the command. So now I will save this project and use the R button to reload this application on the emulator. Use the Shift R to reload this whole project on the emulator. So the text will move to the center of the screen like this, using the widget only. But we can also use some properties to move the text to the center of the screen like this. But center widget is the widget that the Flutter already provides you to center the text or something or another widget to the center of the screen. So this is the Hello World program, and in this way you can run your own logic on the emulator. So in the later videos we will also tell you how to write the widgets and how to use another widgets that the Flutter already provides you. So like this video and subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, write the question in the comment box. We will definitely answer your question immediately.